MX-3 is getting towed. So today we're actually going to diagnose that thing and see if we can get her back in running condition. So my friend Nick, the MX-3 master that I met here, who also owns a couple of MX-3s himself, I'm gonna try to get him to come by the shop and check the MX-3 over. There's a part of me that doesn't really want to get rid of that thing. And also some packages. I mean, like a bunch of packages. Banners are ready to be sent out. And glow in the dark banners right here. Right, guys, I'm actually pretty tempted to take off the orange and just go completely black again. I really want to get this thing up and running again. I mean, it still looks so nice. Remember, high school dream car, okay? And now it's in my possession. I don't really feel like letting go of it. Plus, it's become rare now. It's really hard to find a good MX-3 Presidia lying around, or for sale for that matter. So, yeah. Probably keeping this thing. Next, I dropped off the FRS at my friend Ben's garage to get some work done. Big brake kit and new tires. And this is because I don't have time. Go grab the car. Yeah, behind the green car.
Green car?
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Same way?
Yes.
Okay.
Better.
Yo, check this out though. Yo, they fit perfect.
Oh my god. I forgot.
Perfect.
Wow.
I was really pumped with that. You got the J's. So I went around the block, I didn't hear any like vibration. No vibration, no scraping or anything.
Yeah.
Before I put them on, I buffed off the rust.
Yeah, I was gonna ask. Yo, that looks sick, dude.
Dude, that's fucking dope. I'm so like, I was really surprised. Yeah, that's sick. I was really surprised they just directly bolted right on.
Thanks, man.
Yo,
oh my god.
And then we bled it.
Yeah.
Right? When you replace the calipers, you gotta bleed it. These calipers got two bleeders, one on the outside, one on the inside. Okay, so you first go here, get all the air out, and then do the inside one, same thing. So now the brake pedal's nice and firm.
Oh, perfect, man.
Dude, it's sick. You'll definitely notice an improvement in braking.
Yeah,
all
definitely, man.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Probably the vacuum hoses.
Right.
Yo, I like this, dude.
Oh yeah,
so
the
slick.
extender.
Yeah, bro. And the wheel's so nice. Okay, so here was the vacuum hose.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we had to replace it because they were all cracked. And then spark plugs, dude. Fuck.
Right.
They're down here, bro.
Yeah, I
There's
know.
no room to get it. So we gotta take this out, and then we gotta make room. Same on this side. Had to take all the fuel lines off, take off the bracket, and then you need like
a
few extensions to get
I thought you had to like take this entire thing out. That's what I saw people doing.
Oh no, we snuck around that, bro.
Wow.
For sure. But
Okay.
it still took a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. And then new brake fluid.
Okay.
When we flush it out, okay?
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, that's such a tiny little battery.
Yeah, it's a racing battery, but surprisingly, it's like a motorcycle.
Yeah.
I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, it's a bike battery.
But it works. Cool, man. That's it, that's all.
There you go.
Oh, appreciate it. Ben. Brother. Thanks,
Rudy.
man.
Appreciate
I'll see you again, okay?
Okay, keys are in.
Yeah. I'll probably be back in like a few weeks from Vancouver trip, but we'll catch you.
Drive safe, bro.
Thank you. Alright. We're good. Yo, I'm excited. First, you want to go fast, and now with the big brake kit, you want to slow down. How do our minds work? Alright, guys, we'll see you at the garage. Yeah, that thing's sick. Alright, make it easy for ourselves. We have the list right here, so we're just gonna go down it, alright? New front arrow, so new splitter and new side splitter pieces. First of all, Ben was able to help us with the big brake kit. EDFC, we can't do that today. New tires for rears. And yeah, dude. We'll start with the front arrow. Let's get to work. All right, Nick, here to save the day, or at least try and diagnose this, because he knows way more about MX-3s than I do. I doubt it has any power at all. All right. Should we try? Nada. There's no light here either. Yeah. MX-3, so clean. Jumper cables. Try that.
Tasty.
I know, I'm just getting hungry, you know.
1 more week.
Yeah. You can turn the key over, but it just chugs. So we gotta figure out if there's like something that's not connected properly. What?
This is your diagnostic box
Yeah.
for an OBD1 system. There's a 10 pin and a ground pin. You jump those two, then you turn your key. Your check engine light flashes like Morse code,
Oh wow.
and it tells you what the issue is. Hopefully.
Right.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right, there's a 10 on the top, the ground on the side, and a ground on the center here.
Yeah, I see.
So by jumping the 10 and the ground, it allows you to run your check engine.
Okay. Man, thanks for looking at it over again. All right. So after all of that, no luck with the MX-3, but according to Nick, plugs, oil, and timing should all be checked over. That'll be for another day. We're gonna be making a brand new splitter that is going to compensate for these guys. Alright. Because of time restraints, I'm gonna scratch this idea and I'll just create a new splitter when I get back. I'm running out of time and I don't have all of the right supplies, okay? So, like, this was my idea, right? But I need a long enough rod to attach the gap, this part to here, and I don't have one. All right, so that was my idea. That's not gonna happen. Scratch that. We're gonna go back to this, and we'll just clean it up. I have new vinyl wrap, and we're gonna be wrapping the top half of this a different color. So you can start by taking the rain guards off. We'll just reapply this on with some 3M tape after. Alright? So, new front arrow splitter. We are gonna scratch that idea. Okay? But the side splits, this I have another idea for. Ugh. Check this out. Alright, so this little side splitter piece is going to be replacing this one. So I'm just going to take this off and then slip it under there like so. See how that looks. thinking of making some sort of like arrow piece that connects this to this. Let's see what we come up with. I saw it on Jarek's RC350. That looks cool. Oh. He's here now. Also, last minute prep.
Question, do you have the bolt for this? Or the screw for this?
What's that? Yes! I was playing around with that today. To flex, woo, woo. Yo, have you packed yet?
No.
Awesome. Are you still?
I still didn't even pack from last week's Vancouver.
Oh, great.
It's already half packed.
Nice. I'm like half. Cool. All right, we got this side splitter on. Could have pushed it out a little bit more. Guys, this is how I envision things. Maybe not. It's too much. Scratch that. Side splits. Next, white out top. Alright, so I had originally planned to paint this gloss black, but since I have no time to bring it to my friend's actual car paint shop, I'm just gonna paint it with a spray can and hope for the best. Hit it with like 5 layers of gloss, make it super shiny, try to get it as close to the OEM black paint as possible. There's my idea. Just a little bit of white accent. You know what? I'll keep it. I'll keep it. That looks pretty cool. top, livery, Titan GT mount. Alright. Yeah, that's good enough. Where is this? Do that later. You know what? It's getting pretty late. What should have been like a few hours turned into a full day. And we gotta get up pretty early tomorrow, so I still have to clean this place up, pack up for like a 2-week road trip, and I've barely gotten started on that. So I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.